with the best news ever. I ordered Joben a little robot, and it did on a Sunday, and it got delivered 9 o'clock in the morning. I didn't even know that they passed that early. I didn't even know that they were delivering on Sundays. If I can even get this on. I need my headband on. So we're gonna go open it up and set it up and that's fun stuff. I'm so excited. I've seen so many amazing things about it in my Siberian cat groups, and I hate scooping the cat box. Danica actually scoops the cat box because I hate it that much. And so now everybody, when Danica doesn't have the cat box, I don't have to worry about it, and the smell will hopefully be gone. All right, let's go unbox it.
Thank you.
What about Mark and Mandy?
No. Hi, Jax. All right. No.
I slaved over there, so it's so hard to put together.
The man.
Meow! You need a sticker? Space kitten poop machine.
Space kitten poop machine.
Awesome.
Wow! You want to ride? You want to try it out? Maybe we could potty train her with this.
Oh, no,
And
I
Luella.
love that.
Her and Luella could use the cat box. Wow, wow, wow! So how the fuck the litter gets back in the pan when it spins it? The litter's sitting down there?
We're about to find out.
Yeah,
I can't. The suspense is killing me.
I know. Yep, it's gonna fall. Look. See it coming back?
No, I don't.
Man,
Oh, wait, I see
look,
some litter.
It's all piled up. I kind of want to pee in it and see what happens.
I dare you.
Oh, now you did it.
All right, I'm buying one. When my taxes as soon as I get home.
Nice.
Coupon code for $25 off, and I'm fucking buying
A knife block and a space kitty pooper.
What knife block?
She wants the knives we have. She loves them. She had the Pioneer 1 ones and she don't like them. I said we have
I
them.
love how thin the knife block is. You want to get me one?
When we go back to the morning, get me when we get home.
Oh, the knife block?
Well, the not the green one.
Magical. Fucking magic.
And why is it blue?
That's the night light. So the cat can see when it goes take a piss. Yeah, cat night vision is really terrible, contrary to popular belief. They need blue night lights.
Science.
Yeah, they need blue night lights.
Her? Does she play in the cat litter?
All right, let's get it in there. Okay. We'll see. No, you can't go in it. That's for JoJo. Yeah, that's for JoJo. Man, he used it.
He did?
Yeah, it just fell out. There's a big clump of cat pee.
Oh, JoJo, I'm so proud of you, JoJo kitty. What do you think of Joben's litter box?
What?
What do you think of Joben's new cat box? Yeah, what do you think about it? Alright, let's put the toys back. Where did it all go? You checking it out, JoJo? What? What do you think? Are you waiting for it to be done? Huh? Look, it's almost done, JoJo. I know. Alright, it's all done. It's all done for you. You want privacy? Dog closet and kitty cat closet.